is back. And together with me is my niece. What's your name?
Faye.
Faye. How old are you, Faye?
7.
7. Okay, so for today, we're just gonna unbox this beautyMNL. I ordered it online, so we're just gonna see what's inside. And actually, I'm pretty, bakit ganun? Okay guys, so I'm actually pretty impressed on the delivery of beautyMNL because it's pretty fast. It's just like 1 week and I received it already. And that's really nice. And by the way, I have a discount as well for beautyMNL. I had discount, sorry. And because it's December and there's a lot of discounts going on, so I suggest you better switch on your notification for beautyMNL so you can get discounts. So let's start. Let's start. Are you excited to open this? Yes. Okay. It's pretty shy. Nice package. Siguro kailangan natin ng gunting. CJ, pakuha naman ng gunting sa kwarto. Nandun sa may, sa may salamin.
Looks like we need a little assistance over here.
Okay, nakita ko na yung tape. Kaya mo ba itong buksan? Ayaw niya magpakita sa camera. Sure ka nag-record yan, ah? Ano sa tingin mo nasa loob? Okay. Make-ups. Sa tingin mo, make-up to? Well, let's see. These products are pretty famous, so I wanted to try it. Mga base ng nails ko kaya nila ng bukas. Tawa ka dyan. Tawa ka. Ayoko nang sirain kasi magagamit pa natin itong stress reliever. Sirain mo na ba? Okay. Siyempre daw. Kasi sirain mo. Tatagalan tayo bukas. Yan na. Tada. Okay. Let's start with the small ones. Okay, yeah, it's pretty small. I didn't expect that. Okay, let's set this aside. So first that I got is this one. Kita ba? Hindi. Okay lang yun. So, this is the first one that I got, the hair growth booster. Ano siya? Pwede siya ilagay sa pilik mata, sa kilay, or any part of your hair na gusto nyong patubuin. And I got this by one take one, which is good. Okay, so this is our first product that we got, the hair growth booster. So I'm not sure if it's effective. This is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna try this one. And yeah, it's buy one get one. This one. And another one that I got, the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I didn't expect that it's gonna be this small. Check. Ganyan lang siya kalaki, guys. Ganyan yung kamay ko. Ganyan yung kamay ko. Ganyan lang siya kalaki. And liit, no? Cute siya. Cute naman siya, pero hindi, this is not the one that I'm expecting. Kasi meron din akong sleeping mask. And it's this big. It's this big. Malaki talaga siya. Ganyan. And this one is very small, like travel pack. Anyways, it's buy one get one as well, so not bad. I mean, I'm still happy with this because I can still use it like anywhere, and yeah, it's okay. What to do? Baka hindi lang ako nagbabasa ng maayos, no? Diba? Cute ba? Ayan. Favorite ko kasi itong gamitin. And then next is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. And this one as well, I didn't expect. Actually, mura lang naman siya. And it's buy one get one as well. And it's gonna be the first time that I'm gonna try this. So, sobrang liit niya. And I'm not sure it's gonna be enough for me. Smell? Smell mo? Anong amoy?
Ang shampoo?
Amoy shampoo daw. Amoy shampoo daw siya, according to her. Okay. Okay naman siya. So, maybe I will write a review about this. But I heard a lot of people saying that it's really good, so I wanted to try. And anyways, I got buy one get one. And it's pretty nice because it's travel pack. Like this, it's very small. But still, I didn't expect this to be this small. Kasi walang nakalagay kung ilang ml or something like that. So, that's bad. Okay, next. Okay, all of these products that I have, the other ones, are from Snow. Sorry,
Oopsie!
Snail. Okay, so all of the products that I have left is from Snail White. So I just saw a lot of reviews regarding this, so I really wanted to try. So the first one we have is the... Okay, let's start with this one. Snail White Namo Facial Jelly Wash. All of these products I got with a discount, and it's really good. I mean, for example, the original price is 300 pesos. I got it for 280. It's a big deal. Open natin. Gusto mo amoy yan? Let's see kung ano i-comment niya. Mahirap siyang buhay. Next time that I will do the video, I will show you or I will make a review regarding this product. We have. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Baka sarado pa siya. Sarado nga siya. It's jelly wash, no? Okay. So, facial wash siya. Amoy na. Ano amoy? Dahon? Amoy dahon? She said it smells like leaves. It's good though. Because the flavor is this one flavor talaga. It's aloe vera. So it's supposed to be like that. Anyways, she have an honest reviews. Because she's a kid. I believe so, right? Next is the Snail White Icy Mask. So, mga mask products siya. I don't think I can open this now and to smell something like that. But okay, I will show you what's inside. Anyways, inside the box. Okay. Cannot open. It's like this, guys. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of this mask. And hindi ko maintindihan kung para saan siya. Let's try if she can smell this. Ay, sleeping mask siya, I think. Kasi may drawing siya dito na babaeng may natutulog. Amoyin mo nga. Ano amoy? Shampoo din. Okay. Ha? Amoy baby? Wala na yata itong comment. Next, we have the whip soap. bar soap with delicate net to form a soft and sensual whip foam. Okay, maybe I will use this now as well. Let's open. Let's just open everything. I'm actually so excited to use this one kasi whip soap siya and it's gonna be my first time to use whip soap. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Soap na nakanet. Amoy mo. Mabango siya. Ano amoy? Mabango. Pero parang ano, malakas siya. Parang ma-chemical siya masyado. Yun yung tingin ko. Ikaw ba? Ganun na rin. Same. Okay. Next is we have the snail white sunscreen. Okay. Especially in the Philippines, you really need to have sunscreen. And for me, I always need to have sunscreen as well, even though it's at night. I mean, I work in the plane, so yeah. Even dermatologists, they always say that you need to have sunscreen. So this one, snail white sunscreen, it's CC cream as well, and it has SPF 50+. Well, scratch area. What's this scratch area? I think kung ayaw nyo na mag-makeup, you can use this as well. Because I see artists using this. Ayoko siyang ma-pump bigla. Saan ko nang ganun? Ganun pala siya. Nice. Okay. So, ito siya. Mukhang coverage with UV protection. This is the one. We cannot smell it. We cannot open it. So maybe on my next video, I will show you how it looks like, how it feels like on the face. Alright, and then our last but not the least, snail white gold roller set. I wanted to buy this roller set because I wanted to have that rolling thing. I think it's good for the skin. I think so because it helps you absorb the product more. So yeah, this is the one. It looks very delicate and it looks very expensive as well. Right? What can you say? Ano? Lamig? She said it's cold. Ooh, it's nice. Right? Oh, I'm so excited to use this. And with this one, this is the snail white gold. It's like, I don't know, cream, night cream, I think. Yeah. All of it. Okay. Paano to? Pinapump yata siya. Oo, ganyan siya. Tapos ipapump mo siya. Okay, I don't wanna pump it because ayoko sayangin yung product. Wait, but, okay. Yun nga, pinapump siya. Kita. You wanna smell? Bango. Ay, ang bango niya. I love it. This one doesn't smell like chemical. It's really just soft. Ano comment mo? Wala? Ay, meron pala akong cream dito. Sinasabi, balo pa. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Pakilala ka ulit. Hindi nila narinig. My name?
My name is...
Very good. And next video, we'll show you how to use these products and what are my real reactions with them, kung okay siya or hindi. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you, pa.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.